Congratulations, buddy, even though I still cannot believe it. But hey ho, the man is gonna get married. So all the very, very, very best for the next stage of your life. So the thing with me and Addy, in English, there is a saying, pain at the backside. I never knew what it meant. I was just like, it's just a sentence. People are just being dramatic about it. Until last year, I started witnessing it. And until now, currently, I'm still witnessing it. And the reason is you, of course. Well, jokes apart, me and Addy, we hold this amazing friendship. It's like a very non-judgmental, going with the flow friendship. Since day one, we have been like bully to each other, you know, we've never been formal, we've always been comfortable with each other because Addy is just a male version of myself. So it was not a very big task for us to just have that amazing friendship to build between us. Are these kind of friends who's not always calling each other, texting each other, updating what's happening in our life. Sometimes we don't even talk for like weeks or something, but then again, like the bond, the friendship we have, it doesn't just like dive down. We just pick up from wherever we've left. We do not hold any grudges. We do not hold any form of baggages with us. It's a very low maintenance friendship. And most of the credit goes to Addy, I would say. There are loads of things he's made me understand, make me open my eyes and just witness it, visualize it. So once again, thank you so much for that, Addy. I've been the bully most of the time since day one. So I think, to be honest, he's not the pain at my backside. I think I was the pain at his backside. I used to call you names like poker face, like blah, blah, blah. And he's always had that calm face and that smiling face. And he's always like, hello, okay. That's all his reactions. I was like, why aren't you talking? So I used to be this constant nagging person to him. But he's always been the calm and composed person.
चुपचाप बैठे हुए ख्वाब हैं, बेचैन है थोड़े बेताब हैं, अंदर कहीं जो भी सैलाब है, जाते करो बातें करो, बैठो कभी साथ मेरे भी दो, बातें करो चाहे भले बाद में तोड़ दो, वादे करो
call him my guardian angel because he's this person. If his presence is there, then it just feels like the burden is off your shoulders, even though things doesn't change, the situation doesn't change, but it's the vibe he gives out to people, the positivity he gives out to people. He gives that comfort space to them. He doesn't judge anyone regardless. So thank you for being my guardian angel, Addy, and thank you for being the guardian angel for everyone else. As I said, people must have not told you or they do not want to share this with you, but this is the fact. You are the guardian angel and not everyone can be that person and not everyone can do that. So you will always be special for all of us. So
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना।
We used to have like a routine. It's like after work we go for a walk, we play tennis, we play badminton, or we just go for a simple walk. We do our cooking, you know, and then we go for a picnic, and we just used to go and watch by that fountain side or the canal side. And of this lockdown could have been horrible, but we had your company and of course your introduction of the card games. Even though you're a cheater, I will still call you the cheater, and I will never ever stop fighting with you, because every time I lose I'm like, no, he cheated. And of course the evening time is always the card games, and that intensity, heat just sparking up from everywhere. Until that moment we are all the best friends. During the card game we just become enemies of life, you know. I don't know how that situation just changes, but that's the reality. So thank you for introducing those amazing games, but still, you are a cheater, you are a cheater. Is the pivoting point of the group. If he is not present, then the group is not a group, because in our group all of us are different personalities. So if Adi is not there, everyone is parking and there is friction everywhere. But so he is the person who brings all these personalities together, and he has this very accommodating nature. He will make anyone feel comfortable in their space, let them be in their own skin, and he gives that comfort to them and the confidence to them, which not many people can do, and you are one of the person who can do that. So thank you so much for being this person for myself and for all your other friends. I'm sure, you know, even though maybe they might not be able to express it to you, or maybe they have not expressed it to you, but this is you. Sometimes you just need to give credits to yourself, because you are an amazing human being.
Hope you all are doing great. As we all know, one of our good friend Aditya also getting married soon, so also want to send him my best wishes. Since 2018 I know Aditya, when he welcomed me in the house and made me feel like at home, and also introduced me with all of you guys, where I spent so many great days and having so many good memories. So I won't take it any longer, and hope to see you all guys soon.
Aditya and Akriti, congratulations. I'm really very happy for you both, and I'm looking forward and very excited to see you next year. Make sure that you have a great time with your family, with your friends, and then take loads of pictures also. Aditya, thanks for being an amazing friend to me. I've always enjoyed your company. I've always admired you as a person. Just make sure you be that person always, and always spread the happiness. Take care of yourself, and see you next year. Bye.
Hi Adi. To begin with, many congratulations to you. Finally, Aditya Mittal is getting married. You know, it's I still can't believe, to be honest with you, कि जो बंदा छुट्टी के लिए इंडिया गया था वो आते वक्त अपनी शादी फिक्स करके आ गया. But I'm very happy for you. I'm very happy for you. Trust me. I'm very, very, very pleased for you. So I'm making this video to share some of my excellent memories with you. And all the memories are lovely, to be honest with you. कभी ऐसा टाइम गया नहीं तुम्हारे साथ कि जहाँ पे कोई इश्यूज थे या कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ. हमेशा इट वाज अ गुड टाइम. हमेशा इट वाज अ वेरी जॉली टाइम विथ यू. तो हम लोग एक दूसरे को कितने साल से जानते हैं? ऑलमोस्ट 3 years नाउ. 2017 इफ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली. और मैं डेस्परेटली घर देख रहा था और तुम डेस्परेटली रूम पार्टनर देख रहे थे और हम लोगों की मुलाकात हो गई. एंड यू नो यू आर तुम एक ऐसे बंदे हो जिससे मिलके यू नो कुछ लोग होते हैं कि जिनको मिलने के बाद यू डोंट फील कि यू डोंट नो देम. तो एक ट्रस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली डेवलप हो जाता है. एक जैसी जान पहचान हो जाती है. And I remember कि I was supposed to move in the month of June, but unfortunately तुम जिनके साथ रह रहे थे वो nightmare. वो लोगों ने फिर July decide किया, and you were kind enough to arrange an accommodation for me with Varun, and that is I think how the journey began of the trio or the musketeers, I would say, कि तुम मैं और वरुण एक साथ रहने लगे. You know, we had some of the good time, honestly, some of the good time. रोज शाम को आना, खाना बनाना, एक दूसरे की टांग खींचना, and then I also feel the way that you have always come across. तुमने जैसे मुझे treat किया हमेशा, it has always been with a lot of respect, a lot of love, I would say, in a good way. and एक जैसे एक जर्नी होती है ना दोस्तों की कि यू मीट समवन, फिर आप उसको जानने लगते हो, फिर वो आपका बहुत अच्छा दोस्त बनता है और फिर वो दोस्त से एक ऐसे स्टेज पे आता है कि व्हेन वो भाई बन जाता है. यू नो, एक ब्रदर फ्रॉम अनदर मदर. तो वैसा मुझे लगता है जर्नी थी. तुम्हारी मम्मी को मैं मम्मी बोलता हूँ. तुम्हारी बहन इज लाइक माई सिस्टर. यू नो, सो एंड एक ऑटोमेटिकली उनके साथ भी एक छोटा सा रिलेशनशिप डेवलप हो गया था व्हेन दे वर अप हियर इन द यूके. एक साथ हॉलीडेज पे जो हम लोग गए थे, जो दो छोटी हॉलीडेज पे हम लोग गए थे यू नो, पीक डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे गए थे वंस, एंड देन वी went down south, which was again such a lovely time. We're talking about Adi as a person. I think gem of a person. He's very kind-hearted, and the best quality of Adi, what I like, is जो कुछ मन में है वो जुबान पे है. There are no double standards. कि भाई चलो मुंह पे मिट्ठू मियाँ स्वीट सी बात करना, एंड बैक ऑफ द माइंड कुछ अलग ग्रज रखना या कुछ गाली गलौज, जो कुछ है, बी इट पैसे की बात हो, बी इट रिलेशनशिप की बात हो, बी इट एनीथिंग, इट्स ऑल वेरी क्लियर. वो कुछ मन में नहीं रखता, एंड विच इज सच ए गुड क्वालिटी. आई थिंक उसी की वजह से मेरा और आदि का जो रिलेशन है वो ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया था. You know, I really miss those days coming to Birmingham, and I don't know how things are going to look like once you get married, because तुम obviously अपना खुद का एक संसार बसाओगे, and then at that time I don't know how frequently we can meet, but I'm sure we'll always stay in touch, and I'll always have a person to rely on when I come to Birmingham. I'll always have a person to share with things, because as you know, एक time था ऐसा कि जब मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ में भी इश्यूज थे, एंड यू आर ऑल अवेयर ऑफ इट. आदि तुमको पता था क्या चल रहा था, एंड यू नेवर, यू नो, कभी तुमने मुझे ऐसे जस्ट टू मेक मी हैप्पी, कभी मुझे तुमने ऐसा ओपिनियन नहीं राज भाई आप जो कर रहे हो वो सच कर रहे हो, ऐसा कभी नहीं कहा. यू ऑलवेज वो प्रैक्टिकल विद व्हेन आई शेयर थिंग्स विद यू, एंड वो बात बहुत अच्छी है तुम्हारी. बस खुश रहो भाई. हैव अ लवली मैरिड लाइफ, हैव अ ब्लेस्ड मैरिड लाइफ. Enjoy your married life thoroughly. जितना तुम एक साथ खुश रहोगे, make her your best friend. तुम married life और अच्छी तुम्हारी जाएगी. And good. Have a blessed life, And unfortunately, I can't. I desperately want to attend your wedding, but due to current circumstances, me having a young family, it is not viable for me to travel to Delhi. But my best wishes are with you, and have a lovely married life. I just have. I can't say more. Have a lovely married life. You'll be an excellent husband. I'm sure the way you are, the way you've been brought up, your wife will thoroughly enjoy your company. All the best, my boy. Take care. Love you always. Bye-bye.
रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे, रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे। है जज्बा, है जज्बा, सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा, हाँ मांझा, हाँ मांझा।
Hi Akriti, this is Ash here. So welcome to our family and congratulations. I know we haven't met personally just yet, but we are all really looking forward to meet you. And I would just say that you are a very lucky person, Akriti. I'm not saying this because Addy is our friend, and I'm not being biased here at all. You will witness this very soon, that what kind of an amazing person he is and how accommodating he is. And so I would say you're a lucky person, and likewise, Addy is a very lucky person to be marrying you as well. So it's not just one way. Of course, you are an amazing person as well. So we are all really looking forward to meet you very soon. Congratulations once again, guys. Enjoy this next stage of your life. It's a very beautiful journey. Make the most out of it and live and enjoy every single moment of it. There will be ups and downs, but always communicate, and there is always a way to resolve things. So just do not give up on each other. Remember, guys, it's going to be you two fighting against the world and not you two fighting against each other. So we are all really looking forward to see you guys as a couple very soon. So all the very best. Congratulations and bye now.
तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे यारो, दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार।